Alright guys, got me a new box, some diamond mail here. We're gonna do a little unboxing of it and see what we got. Been looking forward to this for a while. It's gonna mean that putting tires on is a lot freaking easier. So I'm stoked. Let's check this baby out. Alright, got some aluminum anodized pieces here. So what do we have here? Can anyone guess it? The Baja no pinch tool. So this is the piece that goes in your axle. We've got different sizes for that. And then we've got this sweet arm with a gear on it. I love anything with gears. It makes it so cool. And this interesting arm with this large gear on it. So these fit in like here and allow it to pivot. So we got some instructions here. Pretty sure I understand how it works. This thing is nice, really good quality, all aluminum. Nothing's gonna rust here. It's nice and lightweight, but still feels like pretty heavy and strong, you know, at the same time. So how this works is you go like this. I'm guessing this arm goes like this. So we're just gonna flip this over. Oh, I see how it works. You don't have to put this piece in first. We just tighten this up a little bit. How the heck? I think I need to loosen this set screw. Just unthread this a little bit. Now I can slide this baby in. I think I did. I'm not sure. I think I might have did this backwards. I can just flip it this way. Now I can just have got this nice hinging thing. Tighten this. And we'll just tighten this set screw in. Alright, so there you got it. Just like so. Cool design. I love things with gears and using leverage points, you know, so you can adjust it depending on where your wheel is. This goes in the axle, and this pushes it in and out. And if I have a big axle, this will just go in there. Alright guys, so that's the no pinch Baja tool. Really looking forward to trying this puppy out. I have pinched some tubes recently. Pinching tubes early on is something you typically deal with, but as you get better, you know, you pinch less tubes as you're putting the tire on. But recently I went to those extra, like ultra heavy duty Bridgestones, and somehow I've pinched one, maybe 1.5 of those. I think my buddy pinched the other one when we were putting it on. But those things are so thick that it's so easy to pinch. So I'm looking forward to trying this out on that. But really, when you go to the bigger tires, even the gummy tires that are soft and sort of easy to put on, I tried the larger Shinko one, and that thing was a pain in the butt to get on. Granted, it was a little bit cold. It wasn't summer. The tire wasn't that warm, but I mean, it was pretty hard to get those last couple of tire irons to set on. So what I'm hoping is that makes it really easy to just kind of leverage that on and just push it on nice and easy, you know? From what I've seen in other videos, it does look like it works really well. You've got this nice leverage and you're using the gear to increase your leverage points. I think it's a really cool design. It's a really unique take on a tire iron. You know, normally a tire iron you're going like this. For this, you're putting in the wheel and you're creating a triangle with the wheel. So that pushes it on. Pretty cool. Really looking forward to using this. Anyone's tried these Baja no pinch tools? Let me know in the comments. I don't need to change my tire yet, but I'm getting close to there. And as soon as I do that, I'm definitely gonna use this thing. I'll put out a video showing how that first one goes. Yeah, we'll take it from there. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. If you guys like this video, Subscribe for more content. Give it a little thumbs up. Let me know that you guys like it. And we'll see you guys out on the trail.